On the exterior of your property, you'll find a hose bib. And you'll want to cover that with one of these $2 pieces you can find at Lowe's or Home Depot. It simply slips over the handle of your faucet. And then once it's on, you pull it tight, like a zip tie, maybe like a drawstring. And that little device can save you tons of heartache. It's that time of year again where freezing temperatures could be an issue. It's important to have your heat on, especially if you're going out of town and the house is going to be vacant. Let your faucet just drip and open up the cabinet doors. That doesn't seem like it would do much, but it'll let some heat get under there and help these pipes from freezing. And also, if you don't have a fire extinguisher, please let our team know. Every one of our houses should have a working fire extinguisher mounted under the sink.